Yo, what's up guys? So, today, samahan nyo ako sa isa sa mga bucket list hikes ng karamihan, ang Mount Pulag. Ito ang highest peak sa Luzon at kilala siya sa kanyang Sea of Clouds. Excited na ako. Pero syempre, bago makarating sa tuktok, marami tayo munang dadaanan. So let's go! So, from Metro Manila, ang first stop natin dito ay sa Benguet. Kailangan muna natin mag-register at dumaan sa medical check-up. Mahigpit sila dito sa Mount Pulag, kaya hindi ka pwedeng umakyat kung hindi ka medically cleared. Okay ka lang.
Kawawa naman, di na nakaabot ng mga.
Oo, wala kasing jacket.
Right away, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mount Pulag National Park. As a protocol, we are presenting to you our organizers of Mount Pulag.
After medical, kailangan din natin dumaan sa orientation. Super important to kasi madami ng rules ang Mount Pulag to preserve its beauty. Like bawal maingay, bawal magkalat, at syempre, leave no trace tayo.
The highest peak in Luzon. A sacred spring to the as a sacred site.
Dahil maaga pa, magpapahinga muna kami sa isang homestay dito malapit sa jump-off point. Ang lamig guys! Para kang nasa Baguio pero mas malamig pa. Gumagas to para lang sa Sea of Clouds. May klase nga eh. It's dinner time. Ang sarap kumain lalo na kapag malamig. Masarap ang food. Siyempre, kailangan natin kumain para mas may energy tayo bukas.
Yung bigay ka ng plato, pinuto namin sa pangipito. Oo, sabi nila, tumingin pa sa atin nung nagdi-distribute tayo.
Kanin pa lang, panalo lang.
Nakuha ko dalawa na bago siya nagsabi.
Wala, ibalik mo pa, no?
Bad yun.
Sana makita niyo kung tigilan.
So, yung pagkain, 5 stars to.
Yung 4 lang na nabigay sa atin.
Yung room, ano lang yan, tapos tama yun.
Oo. Yung transportation.
Tapos, 1 tao lang yun.
Ayan, magpapatulog muna kami ng maaga kasi 1 AM ang start ng hike namin. Kaya good night muna guys. Bukas, laban na.
May bisita tayo.
Buntis. Alright, it's now 1 AM. We're all set to go. And it's a bit cold, but the adrenaline's kicking in. We'll start the trek in the dark, so kailangan naka-headlamp tayo lahat para makita natin ang trail. Medyo challenging, but that's what makes it exciting.
1 or 2 hours po siya na, na gradual ascent and descent. So meron po siyang pababa, meron po siyang paangat. Ahalo po siya, pero
at this hour, wala pang gaanong tao, so we have the whole trail mostly to ourselves. Pero take note, dahil gabi pa, medyo madilim, so it's really important to focus on your footing. Okay, so first leg of the hike is the Pine Forest Trail. The cool thing about starting so early is the quiet. Tahimik na tahimik, guys. You only hear the sounds of our footsteps and the occasional rustling of the wind in the trees.
Tara na daw. Ang ano naman sama. Ano kaya pa, ma'am? Di pa na naman na yan. Paalon-alon na yan.
At this point, okay pa. Hindi pa mainit. But a little bit of muscle soreness starts to set in. Kailangan mo talaga ng energy. Kaya we brought some snacks like chocolate bars, energy drinks, and water. Medyo malapit na tayo sa summit. And this is where it starts to get real. Ang grassland na to, wala nang puno, kaya ramdam na ramdam mo yung hangin. Tapos paakyat pa siya. But guys, the moment you look back and you see the first hint of the sunrise, you'll realize na worth it lahat ng pagod. As we get closer, we can already see the sea of clouds forming. Dahan-dahan, you'll start to feel that magic. The feeling of being on top of the world. Ayan, we're here. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Sea of clouds everywhere. The sunrise is just so perfect. Nararamdaman ko na. Lahat ng pagod ko. Every step was worth it. Lahat ng hirap. Lahat ng pagod. All of it fades away when you see this view. Take note lang guys. This kind of view requires patience and preparation. So make sure you're physically ready and mentally prepared for the challenge. Sitting atop Mount Pulag, watching the vast sea of clouds, I realized that life is much like climbing a mountain. There are moments of exhaustion, setbacks and doubts, but at the end of every struggle, a breathtaking view awaits. The cold wind reminds me that hardships and sacrifices are part of the journey, yet without them, we wouldn't truly appreciate the beauty of success. Up here, where the sky meets the earth, I understand that life is not about how fast we reach the top, but about the lessons and sights we encounter along the way. The sea of clouds in Mount Pulag witnessed my quiet reflection. Sa lawak ng tanawin, napagtanto kong gaano kaliit ang mga alalahanin ko kumpara sa mundo. Life is full of uncertainties, just like the ever-changing clouds. But instead of fearing them, we must learn to move with the wind. Sa ibabaw ng lahat, natutunan kong minsan, ang kailangan lang natin ay huminto, huminga ng malalim, at pahalagahan ang kasalukuyang sandali. Life may not always be clear, but like the sunrise above the clouds, there will always be light ahead. Okay, so after soaking in the view, it's time to head back. The descent's a bit tricky too, so ingat lang kayo. But overall, the hike was an unforgettable experience. Talaga namang sulit na sulit. From the homestay vibes to the hike itself, everything was perfect. This time, mas kita na natin yung trail. At ang ganda rin pala talaga ng surroundings. Iba yung feeling na nakita natin ang Mount Pulag sa gabi at ngayon naman sa umaga. Joining the Mount Pulag climb as a solo traveler, I was uncertain about what to expect. But as the journey began, I realized that adventure has a way of bringing strangers together. Sharing stories during rest stops, helping each other through steep trails, and laughing under the cold night sky turned unfamiliar faces into newfound friends. It reminded me that friendships often begin in the most unexpected places. And sometimes, all it takes is stepping out of our comfort zone to meet people who share the same passion for exploration.
Picture tayo sa group.
Ay, oo.
Yan o.
Kung kailan hindi kami nahuli, hindi kayo magpapicture.
Kaya, sa group tayo kasi dito yung dalawa.
Napagtanto ko na ang buhay ay parang ganito rin. Walang kasiguraduhan, pero laging may posibilidad na makatagpo ng mabubuting tao sa daan. Every handshake, every shared meal, and every encouraging word along the trail made me feel less alone. Sa huli, hindi lang ganda ng tanawin ang baon ko pa uwi, kundi pati na rin ang alaala ng mga bagong kaibigan na minsan ay estranghero lamang.
Ang pabigat lang yan eh.
May isang ahon dito mamaya, di ba?
Isa lang ba?
Isa lang yun.
Nababa man.
Tapos di naman matagal yun. Ang hirap maging gastador.
Ito na tayo mo si Forrest eh.
Ito na yan.
Dito mo, madaming tao.
Tanungin natin sila.
Kunain muna natin sila. Habang inantay natin mga kasama natin.
Wow! Ang dadaanan natin ito kanina.
Oras na din.
Sige, go for next.
11:30. Magna 9:30 pala.
Diyos ko.
Kawawa yung munti natin ito. Putik pa ba ako?
Liwanag sa dilim.
Bibigyan kayo ng 30 seconds.
Oh my goodness, ito na naman si 30 seconds.
Karing lang.
Malapit na yan. 5 minutes na lang sabi ng lokal. Malapit na lang.
Oo.
Bukas lang naman yung homestay natin.
I hope this video inspired you to take on Mount Pulag, or any mountain for that matter. Don't worry if you're not an expert hiker. Pwedeng pwede. Just prepare, bring your essentials, and have fun along the way.
Diretso tayo no?
Oo.
Yep.
May pinapatunayan naman tayo eh. Alright, that's it for today's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed the experience. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and hiking content. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay strong, and always chase the next adventure. Peace out! Lapit na. Oo. Pero kung tinuloy-tuloy natin kanina din, medyo mas mabilis tayo.
Oo, mas mabilis tayo. Kanina ang umaga lang.